Miniature construction videos are getting absolutely viral. In this video, I will show you how you can create this exact type of video for completely free, so let's start. Hey viewers, welcome to Velnorr.
First, you need a master prompt. You can get this master prompt in the description box.
Next, copy and paste that prompt into ChatGPT. Here, GPT will produce 10 unique house ideas for you. Just choose your favorite one, and ChatGPT will give you 2 separate video prompts for it. Go ahead and copy the first video prompt.
Now, open up YouTube, click on the plus icon at the bottom, then click right here on the AI tool. Select Create Video and paste your first prompt. Once that's done, follow the exact same process for the second prompt.
Lastly, open up any video editing software, import both video clips, and merge them together. Boom! Your viral mini construction video is ready to post.
Look here, I created 2 more amazing videos using this exact same process. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and comment down below which niche you want to see next. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much.